So this is the AC box. So basically it's a relay, and I have connected a night light just for demo purpose. And the relay is basically embedded inside, and this is like completely safe. Like you can't get electric shock from this until and unless you poke your fingers into this, or like this has a very long wire. So like if your kids can like plug in socket into electrical devices, this is like pretty much safe thing. So like this relay wires I have connected to pin 5, and we will just create a SOS blinking LED. So let me just show the demo. So there will be three short pulses followed by three long pulse. So short pulse is for S, and then SOS, and then it will wait for 3 seconds. So you can hear the relay clicking. So this is like the SOS code flashing. So this is the code basically. So when you click, it will flash this SOS indefinitely, and it will flash the S three times, then O three times, then again S three times, and then wait for 3 seconds. So like this S is short flash and O is like long flash. So in the long flash, we actually wait for 1.5 second, and in the short flash, we wait for zero point 0.5 second. So this is our code. So like when you run this code, the relay will turn off and turn on and off like after the particular delay time, and it would create the Morse code for SOS signal.